Okay, in this video we're going to sketch the graph of y is equal to x plus 3, x minus 2 squared. So this is x plus 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 2. So first, like we've done before, we're drawing a set of axes, and we're only going to draw a rough sketch. If you want to find a bit more details about the curve, we'll have to wait until we have done the calculus. Make sure you label your axes x and y. If we look at the x-axis, y is equal to 0 on the x-axis. So if we take the factorised version, so we've got x plus 3, x minus 2 squared is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to minus 3 from that one, and x is equal to 2. But this is a repeated root, so it's x equal to 2 twice. And we'll have a look what that means in a minute. For the so plotting those points on, that's minus 3. You just need to roughly put them in the right place. That is 2. For the y-axis, x is equal to 0, so we're going to have 0 plus 3, 0 minus 2 squared is equal to 3. Therefore, we're going to have, it's equal to 3 times minus 2 squared, so that's going to be 12. So we've got the point here, 0, 12. Right, the most dominant part of this function is going to be x times x times x, which is x cubed. And so therefore, when x goes very large, and what I say is just put a very large, when x goes very large but negative, or very, very, very small if you like, if you don't like, put minus 10 or minus 1,000 in there. If you cube a negative number, it is also negative. So our function is going to start over here. When x goes very, very large, something like plus 10 or take a plus 100, if you cube a positive large number, the result is also very, very large. So as x goes to plus infinity, y will go to plus infinity, or as x goes large, y goes large. That's another way to think about it. So it goes over here. So this leaves us with a problem, because if we draw our curve, what happens at this point here? Because now this point is special because it was a repeated root. Another repeated root because this time it will be a local minimum point. Sometimes it can be a local maximum point as well. So our curve is going to come up, it's going to go higher than 12, come back down again, touch that point there, and then go off to plus infinity, like that. Okay? And this point here is a local maximum. Now we can look at this using the GeoGebra applet, and I'll attach the link to the GeoGebra applet in the notes of this video. So go to the GeoGebra applet. Here we have just the general curve of y is equal to x cubed. All these are at 0 at the moment. And therefore I'm going to make b minus 3. And you can fine tune this using the arrow keys on your computer. And then c I'm going to make to be 2. Again, fine-tune it using the arrow keys, and also d will have to be 2 as well because it is a repeated root. Okay, so therefore you can see here that we have a local minimum point. So this is what happened when you get what's known as a repeated root here, either a local maximum or local minimum, as we got in this case. Alright, so this has been a video to show you how to draw a cubic curve where one of the roots is repeated. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.